Good day everyone, I'm Rochelle B. Marcos and today I will be discussing about income tax return filing requirements in the Philippines. So what is income tax return filing? Income tax return filing is required by the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR to ensure that the government can properly collect taxes gikan sa mga individual o businesses. So in simple words, kinahanglan nato i-report atong contribution through taxes. Now, let's proceed to the discussion. First is date of filing returns. In general, annual income tax returns are filed on or before April 15 every year. Aside from that, naapod tay quarterly filing. First quarter is in May 15, second quarter is August 15, and third quarter November 15. So meaning ani, dili lang once a year mag-file, but monitored yun ang income throughout the year. So this system helps the government track income regularly and ensures that taxpayers are consistently reporting. Next is BIR Form 1701A. This is used by individuals earning income purely from business or profession. This includes 1. Resident citizen, 2. Resident alien or non-resident citizen working in the Philippines. And you have two options. A. Graduated income tax rate. B. 8% flat income tax rate if imong income below 3 million pesos. So this gives flexibility sa taxpayers. Pwede sila mopili kung unsa ang mas beneficial para ila depende sa ilang income. So my example for this is if you are a freelancer like graphic designer, VA, or online tutor, pwede ka mopili og 8% flat rate para mas simple. Instead nga mag-compute ka og daghan deductions, diretso na siya nga 8% sa imong income. Next is self-employment income. So, self-employment income refers to earnings gikan sa negosyo or professional practice like sari-sari store, small cafe owner, or online seller. Pero ang non-resident alien Filipino earning outside the Philippines, dili required mag-file. So this helps identify kung kinsa ang required magbayad sa tax o kinsa ang exempted. Next is general professional partnership. Partnership like law firms or accounting firms, they are required to file returns and include gross income, deductions, names, and shares of partners. So even if the partnership itself is no tax directly, kinahanglan gihapon sila magbayad, mag-report for transparency. Next is corporation dissolution or reorganization. So what does it mean? If a corporation plans to close or reorganize, they must file within 30 days. They must secure tax clearance from BIR. So this ensures that companies cannot escape their tax responsibilities. Now, let's proceed to BIR Form 1702RT. So, this is for corporations like big companies. So, ang ilang tax rates is 25% regular rate and 20% for small corporation. So, lower tax rates are given to small businesses to help them grow. So, lastly, annual income tax return for non-individual taxpayer. All corporation and partnership must file accurate income tax returns. This ensures fairness and accountability among all businesses. So in conclusion, to conclude, income tax return filing includes deadline, forms, and responsibilities for individuals and businesses. And that's all for my report. Thank you for listening.